तो फर्स्ट जो उसका पार्ट है तो वो है एलिमेंट्री स्कूल. It has been recognized that physical education is a must in elementary schools. Basic skills and attitudes can be learned well in this period. Physical education play a vital role in the all-round development of children. Even eminent psychologists say that motor as well as sensory experience of children are extremely important in the development of intelligence. Through the program of physical education, children become creative, develop self image, and grow in a holistic manner. The emphasis can be placed on learning the various activities such as running, jumping, climbing, throwing, catching, and kicking. In India, there is no career opportunities for physical education teachers in elementary schools. Generally, the teachers of other subjects who are not specialized in physical education teach physical activities. This is the main drawback in India. The government as well as society must lay stress on implementing physical education in primary schools, and qualified physical education teachers should be appointed in these schools so that they may help in making good sportspersons and fittest citizens. It means